We're going to now look at factoring a polynomial that has 4 terms. We do this in a somewhat different way, so we want to be very careful to listen to the ideas in our helpful hint. Look for common factors first. We can find the greatest common factor of the first 2 terms and factor. Then we can find the greatest common factor of the second 2 terms and factor. Make sure that you obtain the same binomial factor for each step. Be careful with the plus and minus signs. Now let's see how we can actually carry out the ideas of this helpful hint. We look at the first 2 terms and we notice that these 2 terms have something in common. They both have the variable y. They're both divisible by 5. So we could factor out 5y. 5y times 2x would give us 10xy, and 5y times 3b would give us 15by. In the second 2 terms, we notice that they're both divisible by 4, but we also observe they both have a minus sign. We could factor out a negative 4 and have left inside the parentheses negative 4 times 2x and negative 4 times 3b. Now let's see why we factored out a minus 4. If we just factored out a plus 4, we'd have minus 2x minus 3b inside the parentheses, and we want these 2 parentheses to be the same. 2x plus 3b. They are common in both places. So we can factor out 2x plus 3b. And if we've removed that common factor of 2x plus 3b, we have 5y minus 4. So the answer to factoring this problem is 2x plus 3b, that quantity, times 5y minus 4. When you're factoring this kind of problem, it's very important to look carefully at the first 2 terms and take out a common factor. Look carefully at the second 2 terms and take out a common factor. You want the parentheses to be the same in each case.